Almost done. Hi, Ken. What are you? Why you're laughing me, Kendall? Kendall. Kendall, you know Kendall, wait, Kendall, which part of USA you are? Kendall is from USA also. Kendall is boyfriend of si Susan. Susana, single mom. Jeffrey Aspido model. Oh my goodness. Why are you laughing at me, Kendall? Kendall is a nice guy. Kendall? Kendall. Not Kindle. Kendall. Yeah, you know him. He's boyfriend of Susan, single mom. I do. Which part of US are you, Kendall? Are you there? Are you there? I don't see a Kendall here. What? That one. No profile picture. It's letter K. How about you, Steve? Did you see Kendall? He's laughing at me. The sticker one. I. Susan single mom. Yeah, that's his boyfriend. Yes, host, I'm here. See? Jeffrey doesn't, he say he sent you. He can't see you in the chat. Kendall, I don't know why. Yes, I do. Kendall is there. Oh, yes, I'm here. Jeffrey doesn't, he can't see your chat. Okay. Oh, yes, sorry, Kendall. Oh my goodness.